All right, so I'm sure that you have always wondered what happens when these creators do these product reviews. How do they actually work 30 days later and stuff like that? So I'm gonna show you real fast in this video, or let you know real fast in this video, how these step bars have been for me. So we put these step bars on my truck previously. When you open the door, they fold down. Now, they have been absolutely flawless, no issues at all. One thing that I was very concerned about when I put them on the truck is I'm a very fast-paced dude, so I'm always running around like a chicken with my head cut off, my wife says. And I normally get in the vehicle so fast and throw it in gear so fast that sometimes the vehicle I'm driving, it has all the electronic shifter crap. It doesn't even register, and I basically go faster than the vehicle. So I was afraid that these bars were gonna take too long to fold down and basically get in my way and continuously be hitting my shins because I'm getting in the truck in and out faster. Now, that was true at first, for the first maybe 24 hours. And then immediately we got into a routine with them. So they are really fast. They don't bother me. I don't trip up on them. They don't get in the way or nothing like that. That is the number one thing that me personally, I was concerned about. And that's probably only unique to me. I probably just need to slow down in life and go a little slower. But these things, they fold down fast is what I'm trying to say. If they're good enough for me, they're definitely good enough for you. They fold down fast. Now, the only other complaint that I had somebody mention to me is that the back is slightly up, okay? But there's nothing wrong with it. So if we kind of hold this level, you see how that step bar is kind of angled up just a little bit? That's because your motor is in your front and the back is basically spring loaded. So this always kind of wants to be folded up just a little bit. Now again, this is no issue at all, but I wanted to put out an honest review on this product. So when you go to step on them, they have to fold down a little bit. They have to twist just a little bit because it deflects in the metal. That's perfectly normal, all right? So that's not even really a complaint, but I really don't have a ton to say about these things. I mean, they work exactly like they're supposed to be. They hold your weight just fine. They haven't broke. They haven't malfunctioned. They haven't not worked. They've done their job and they're perfect. That's literally it. Like, I can't find anything real negative to say about these step bars at all. I mean, they've been absolutely phenomenal. As you can tell, they're dirty. You know, just absolutely, they do exactly what they're supposed to. They'll close up. I mean, just no issues, man. The little lights that we put on them, they work just fine. They're hard to tell. They're on right now, but at nighttime you can see them. During the daytime you can't. So all four of the lights work just like they're supposed to. Smooth operation, no issues. WolfBox, no issues, no real complaints. The two things that I just mentioned are me just being completely honest and just trying to think of something that might be worth complaining about, even though it's really not. I mean, they're solid. I mean, they are amazing. The other thing that I have really liked is my 6-year-old daughter can never get in a truck by herself. And now, because of these step bars, she can reach the door handle and open the door, but she couldn't really climb up that great. And now with these on there, she can get in the car by herself, and then all we have to do is buckle her up. So she's loving that. The next positive thing about this, if you have older family members or elderly family members, they are now able to get in my truck. So I had, my mother-in-law could not get in my previous truck because it sat up too high. With these step bars, they actually open up lower than the OEM factory ones would if you had factory ones on your truck. So these helped out tremendously with if you have an elderly person that can't get up, or even a younger person that, you know, maybe had knee surgery or something. These things have been amazing as far as now we can take my vehicle places with the family that we couldn't before because they couldn't get in my truck. This truck's only on 35s, but still, if you had knee surgery, leg surgery, or something like that, or you just can't step up high, these are a game changer. That's the biggest advantage I have seen to these step bars, is now people can ride with me that couldn't ride with me before. So again, huge thanks to WolfBox. Zero issues, no complaints, no real complaints, no malfunctions. They've always opened. They've always worked like they're supposed to. It's been about a month or so since I've had them, maybe a month and a half now, and phenomenal. If you want to, leave me a comment below and I can let you know if I still have the truck at the time of the comment that you're leaving as this video gets older, and I can tell you up to date on if I've had any issues with them or not. But for right now, I recommend them. Zero issues. The install was easy. I don't know what else to say, like, besides go buy them. I'll leave the link in the description again below, but if you want to check out the original video on the install, go back to my channel, the playlist that's for reviews. We have a dedicated playlist for everything that we reviewed, and I show you step by step how to put these on. Hopefully you'll subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks, y'all.